Our cat.
Buttercup's on his own again.
Buttercup got wiped off
Buttercup
and
is on
wiped
his own.
and wiped. But that cat don't got wiped. Buttercup has black spots. No, you don't. Yes, you do. He has white spots and black spots. It's not like that cat has a...
Yeah, everything he did is Buttercup because he only met one dog and one cat before. So that's how he...
Dog?
It's not good.
Not nice.
That's how he places it.
Dog. Watch out for that pretty thing. That's not... That's nice data. That's not...
Sometimes they are.
That's a pretty thing.
Yeah, you like you went to a fashion show today. How about the belly? Where's it at? That's great.
There was people. There was
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Ryan.
Jaden is
Jaden?
nope. Here.
Sierra, get the hell over here.
You're supposed to be quiet. You're going last because you're bad. Remember that? You're the first thing you'll be the last. Thank you, Kadeen. You're lucky that you're here. All right. Here, Jaden. Here, bye-bye.
Gee.
Look at me. Take a picture.
It's ready. Let me see. It's ready.
Come on.
How was it? You had fun? Was it scary? All right.